Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Before starting, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the process. First, remove the bowl from the base by lifting it straight up. Set it aside in a safe place. Next, locate the screws on the top cover of the Thermomix. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located at the corners of the top cover. As you remove each screw, keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off to expose the internal components. Here is where thorough cleaning is essential. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the inner walls of the appliance, ensuring that no residue remains. This will help in maintaining the longevity of your appliance. Next, focus on the closure system. If you notice any wear or damage, it's crucial to replace it. Locate the closure mechanism and gently pull it out using your pliers. Make sure to handle it carefully to avoid damaging other parts. If you don't have the necessary tools or are unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, with the old closure system removed, take the new closure system and align it properly with the mounting points inside the appliance. Press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. After this, it's time to replace the gasket. Remove the old gasket by peeling it away from the rim. Clean the area where the gasket sits thoroughly, ensuring no debris is left behind. Take the new gasket and align it with the rim of the lid. Gently press it into place, ensuring it sits evenly all around. This step is critical for achieving a proper seal when your Thermomix is in use. Once the gasket is securely in place, it's time to reassemble the top cover. Align it back onto the base and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten each screw carefully but don't over-tighten, as this may cause damage. Now, reconnect the bowl and plug in your Thermomix. Test the closure by pressing down on the lid and ensuring it seals properly. If you experience any issues, it's wise to consult with a professional. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Finally, always check for any remaining screws and tools before concluding your work. If you'd like a quote before any repair, feel free to reach out. By following these steps, you can effectively replace the closure system and gasket on your Thermomix TM31, ensuring it operates efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.